This is Shelley Craft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're coming to you from the LD Micro Invitational 2018 here in Bel Air, California. I have with me today Andrew Rooke of ASV Holdings, Inc. It's a publicly traded company on NASDAQ, and the symbol is ASV. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks for having me on, Shelley. Good to be here.
It's good to have you. Let's get started with a brief overview of the company, and we'll go from there.
We are a North American manufacturer of compact track machines. Compact track machines are used in the construction industry, forestry industry, agriculture industry. We use a variety of attachments, very versatile application, and used on many sites across North America.
What is it exactly?
So, compact track machine is a machine that you can put over 300 different attachments on, whether that's a pair of forks to carry a pallet, an auger to dig a hole, a bucket to carry dirt and sand and construction equipment in, and it's used in, as I said, a variety of end uses of end markets. So in the agriculture industry, you might want to use it for moving bales of hay around. You might want to use it for digging a hole, for putting a trench in, for mulching in the forestry sector. Very versatile application, small, compact obviously by its name, which means you can get into very tight spaces and do a lot of productive heavy lifting for your business.
Now, what's some history behind the company?
Well, as you mentioned, we're a publicly traded company, but we like to think of ourselves as a new company with 35 years of history. We were founded back in 1983 by a couple of gentlemen out of the snowmobile industry who took some technology that was used there and created the first compact track loader. We've been through a variety of owners and structures since then, culminating, as I said, with our IPO in May of 2017, which took us public.
What's the size of the market for your equipment?
Well, North America is the largest market globally for our product, and that's probably 1.9 billion or so, and that's just the track machines. We also sell some skid machines as well, skid steer loaders, which are very similar with wheeled attachments as opposed to the track drive system, and that's probably about 1.5 billion. So North America globally is the largest market by far.
What's unique about your company?
Well, I'm glad you asked us that, because we are unique in the sense that we have a patented proprietary undercarriage system that differentiates us from all the other manufacturers of compact track loaders in the world. And that system gives some very significant value opportunities and benefits to the user. Our machines are faster, they're lighter, they tear the ground up far less than the competitive machines, and our tracks hardly ever fall off, and a lot of that is due to the proprietary design and patented design that we have. So we think that our equipment can give some very significant operator benefits to those who use them.
What other competitive advantages do you have?
Well, we're fully made here in North America with a very dedicated 180 employee workforce. And we think that that keeps us very close to our customers and close to our user base. We do full service in the sense that we have full aftermarket parts distribution to fully support our users throughout all their needs.
What brand do you go by out in the market?
Yeah, we market ourselves under the ASV brand.
Now, what is your background?
Well, as you can tell, I'm from the Midwest. No, in all seriousness.
And I'm from the South.
In all seriousness, I came over to the United States in 2002 with a British company, worked for them until 2006 when I joined Manatex International. I was COO of Manatex for just over 10 years. I led the joint venture that formed ASV as that was spun out of of another company. So I've been with ASV since 2014.
So from what you can tell me, what are some growth drivers for the company?
So the build-out of distribution is a key component of our growth strategy. Since we relaunched the ASV brand, we've been actively trying to sign up new distribution here in North America, and we've gone from 0 dealer rental locations in 2015, carrying the ASV brand, to over 240 at the end of March of 2018. Our objective is to continue to do that, to expand the distribution to over 300 dealer and rental locations in the markets where we believe the majority of this equipment is sold.
For more information, let's get your website out there for our investor audience, if you would.
Okay, go to www.asvi.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Andrew Rooke, ASV Holdings, Inc. It's a publicly traded company on NASDAQ, and the symbol is ASV. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the LD Micro Invitational 2018 here in Bel Air, California. Andrew, thank you so much for coming on.
Thanks very much, Shelley.
My pleasure.